You're in my seat.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. I think you might be in my seat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my boarding pass says 18B.
Let me check mine for a second. Mine says 18A.
Right. 18B is the aisle seat, and 18A is the window.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize that.
No worries. It's a pretty common mistake.
Yeah, I think I just saw an empty seat and sat down without checking.
That happens a lot, especially during boarding.
Everything feels rushed, and I just want to sit down quickly.
Exactly. Boarding can be a bit stressful.
All right, let me look again. Yeah, you're right. I'm supposed to be in 18A.
Thanks for checking.
Of course. I'm really sorry about that.
It's totally fine. Thanks for checking.
No problem at all. I'll switch seats right now. Okay, all set.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Honestly, this works out pretty well.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, looks like I'll get to enjoy the window view today.
That's nice. It's a great day to look outside.
Definitely. I always like watching the takeoff.
Same here. It makes the flight feel shorter.
Well, I'm glad we cleared that up.
Me too. Thanks again for being understanding.
Of course. Have a great flight.
You too. Enjoy the view.
Buying a SIM card.
Hi, I'd like to buy a SIM card, please.
Sure. Is it for your phone?
Yes, I just arrived and I need something simple.
No problem. Are you looking for a prepaid or a monthly plan?
Prepaid would be better.
All right. How much data do you usually need?
Mostly for maps and messages, not too much.
Okay. This plan includes 10 gigabytes of data.
That sounds good. How long is it valid for?
It's valid for 30 days.
Great. Can I make calls as well?
Yes, local calls and texts are included.
Perfect. Is there anything else I should know?
You'll need to register with your ID.
That's fine. Does it work right away?
Yes, we can activate it here.
Nice. How much does it cost?
It's 20 euros.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like help setting it up?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. It'll just take a minute.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. You're all set. Apartment rent questions.
Hi, I'm calling about the apartment you listed online.
Hi. Yes. How can I help you?
I just wanted to ask a few questions about the rent, if that's okay.
Of course. Go ahead.
So, the monthly rent is listed as 900 euros. Does that include utilities?
It includes water and building fees, but electricity and internet are separate.
Okay, that makes sense. Is the apartment furnished?
Partially. It has a bed, a desk, and some basic furniture.
That's good to know. And how long is the lease?
The minimum lease is 1 year.
All right. Is there a security deposit?
Yes, it's 2 months' rent.
Okay. And is the apartment available right away?
Yes, it's available from next month.
That works for me. Can I ask about the neighborhood?
Sure, it's quiet and close to public transport.
That sounds perfect. Is it easy to get to the city center?
Yes, about 20 minutes by train.
Great. Would it be possible to schedule a viewing?
Absolutely. Are you free this weekend?
Yes, Saturday afternoon would be ideal.
Perfect. I'll send you the details.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time.
No problem at all. See you on Saturday. Daily routine chat.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty busy, actually.
Yeah? What does a usual day look like for you?
Honestly, it's pretty simple.
Walk me through it.
I wake up around 7. The first thing I do is check my phone.
Same here. I tell myself I won't, but I always do.
Right? Then I get ready and grab a quick breakfast.
Do you cook in the morning?
Not really. Just coffee and maybe some toast.
That sounds about right.
After that, I head to work. The commute takes about 30 minutes.
Do you listen to anything on the way?
Usually a podcast. It helps me wake up.
I listen to music. Something calm, not too loud.
Once I get to work, the day goes by pretty fast.
Yeah, time flies when you're busy.
I usually have lunch around noon. Nothing fancy.
Same. I try not to overthink it.
After work, I go home and take a short break.
Just to sit and do nothing?
Exactly. Even 10 minutes helps.
What about the evening?
I make a simple dinner, then watch something or read.
Sounds relaxing.
I try to go to bed before midnight. Not always successful, though.
Yeah, same here.
It's not exciting, but it keeps things balanced.
Honestly, that sounds like a good routine.
Welcome to my place. Hey, welcome to my place.
Thanks. This is my first time here.
Yeah, I'm really glad you could come. Make yourself at home.
Thanks. Your place is really nice.
Thank you. It's not big, but it's cozy.
I like it. It feels comfortable.
This is the living room, and the kitchen is right over there.
Nice. Do you live here by yourself?
Yeah, just me. I've been here for about a year now.
That's great. The location seems really convenient.
It is. Everything I need is nearby.
So, what are we having for dinner?
I'm making something simple, nothing fancy.
Sounds good to me.
I'm thinking pasta and a salad, or we can order something if you prefer.
Pasta sounds perfect.
All right, I'll start cooking in a bit.
Do you want me to help?
You can just relax for now. I've got it.
Okay, let me know if you need anything.
Will do. Make yourself comfortable. Sending a package.
Hi, I'd like to send a package, please.
Sure. Where is it going?
It's going to another state.
Got it. May I see the address, please?
Yeah, sure.
What's inside the package?
Just some personal items, nothing fragile.
All right. Would you like standard or express shipping?
What's the difference?
Standard is cheaper, but it takes a bit longer.
How long does standard shipping usually take?
About 3 to 5 business days.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Okay. Please place the package on the scale.
Sure.
All right. The total comes to $12.
Does that include tracking?
Yes, tracking is included.
Great. Do I need to fill out any forms?
Just this shipping label with the address.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, that's fine.
Perfect. When will it be sent out?
Later today.
Sounds good. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Gym membership info.
Hi, I'm interested in joining the gym.
Great! Are you looking for a membership or just a day pass?
A membership. I just wanted to get some information first.
Of course. What would you like to know?
What kind of plans do you offer?
We have a monthly plan and a yearly plan.
What's the difference?
The yearly plan is cheaper per month, but the monthly plan is more flexible.
Okay, how much is the monthly plan?
It's $50 a month.
Does that include all the equipment?
Yes, it includes full access to the gym.
What about classes?
Most classes are included, like yoga and spinning.
That sounds good. Is there a sign-up fee?
There's a one-time sign-up fee of $20.
All right, can I cancel anytime?
Yes, with the monthly plan, you just need to give us 30 days' notice.
Got it. Do you offer a free trial?
Yes, we offer a one-day free pass.
Nice. I'd like to try that first.
No problem. I can set that up for you.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Will do. Thanks again.
Computer help at work.
Hey, sorry to bother you. Do you have a minute?
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
My computer is acting really strange. I'm not sure what I did.
What kind of problem?
It just froze all of a sudden. Now nothing is responding.
Did you try restarting it?
I did, but it didn't help. It's still stuck like this.
Okay, let me take a look.
Thanks. I feel a bit silly asking.
Don't worry about it. It happens to everyone.
I was in the middle of a task, and then everything just stopped.
Yeah, I see the issue. The program probably crashed.
Is it something serious?
No, nothing serious. We just need to close this and reopen it.
Oh, that's it?
Yep, sometimes computers just need a break too.
Honestly, I was starting to panic.
Totally normal. I've been there many times.
Thanks for helping me out. I really appreciate it.
Of course, anytime you need help, just ask.
I will. Thanks again.
No problem. Running into a stranger.
Excuse me, are you visiting or do you live around here?
Oh, I'm just visiting. How about you?
Same here. I'm definitely not from around here.
Yeah, I kind of guessed. You look like you're checking directions.
I am. I'm trying to find my way to the city zoo.
No way, really?
Yeah, I think I might be going the wrong direction.
That's funny. I'm actually heading there too.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm a tourist as well. It's my first time in this city.
Same. I've been wanting to visit the zoo since this morning.
Me too. I heard it's really nice and easy to walk around.
That's what I heard as well. I just didn't expect finding it to be this confusing.
Honestly, I've been walking in circles for a bit.
Good, so it's not just me.
Not at all. Let me check the map again.
Sure.
Okay. I think it's actually a few blocks that way.
Oh, that makes sense. I was about to head the opposite direction.
Same here earlier.
Do you want to walk there together?
Yeah, that sounds good. It's always easier with company.
Definitely. So how long are you staying in the city?
Just a couple of days, trying to make the most of it.
Same here. Short trip, but I want to see a lot.
Well, starting with the zoo sounds like a good plan.
Agreed. I'm glad we ran into each other.
Me too. Shall we head that way?
Yeah, let's do that.
Buying a Lego gift.
Hi, I'm looking for a gift for a 10-year-old boy.
Sure. Is it for a birthday or another occasion?
It's for his birthday.
Great. Does he like any particular theme? Cars, superheroes, space?
He really likes cars and building stuff.
Perfect. Lots of great options then.
I'd like something fun, but not too expensive.
No problem. This one here might be a perfect fit.
Oh? What's this?
It's a Lego car set with a cool pullback engine, so once it's built, he can race it.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah, and it's rated for ages 8 to 12, so it's right in his age range.
Nice. How many pieces does it have?
It has about 350 pieces. Not too easy, not too hard.
That's good. Will he need help finishing it?
Most kids that age can do it on their own, but a little help from an adult is always fun.
Perfect. I'll take this one.
Great choice. Would you like it gift wrapped?
Yes, please. That would be perfect.
All right, that brings your total to $39.
Here you go.
All set. Here's your receipt.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.